to my channel. Today we're going to be creating this look that I did. I wasn't sure what I was going for, but this is what we ended up with. So if you want to see how I did this, keep watching. First I'm going to go in with some of this Dickinson's Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this Dickinson's Pore Perfecting Toner first and just like cleanse my face. Now I'm going to be using this MAC Cosmetics Strobe Cream. e.l.f. Cosmetics 16-Hour Camo Concealer. This is the shade Light Peach. And I just dab this right on my eyelid. Maybe a little more. So now I'm just blending this up. Set the concealer on my lids. I'm going to go in with this Terry Hyaluronic Hydra Powder. Take whatever on the lid. And I'm putting it all over the space I just put all the concealer on. I took a little poll on my Instagram and everyone, well, no, not everyone, okay, a few people that voted chose this one. This one won. So this is what I'm going to be using. This is what it looks like inside. These colors are so pretty. I don't know what I'm going to be using. Okay, so although I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette only, I'm going to cheat a little bit and use my Hoola bronzer. I'm going to go in with the Hoola, use that in my crease. Starting in the outer corner of my eye, kind of moving my brush like a V shape. Pick up some more, and then I'm going to blend inward, starting on the outside, working my way to the inner corner. I'm gonna start with the Smoke Sessions palette. This palette is so pretty. I know I said this already, but like, okay, let's just go in and look at her. I don't know what I should use. I'm gonna go in with Space Queen here. Something a little different. A little bit of a smaller brush and basically go in the same areas, but not as far out as I did with the bronzer. So it looks like a gradual blended look. So now I'm gonna go take a little bit more of the Hoola bronzer and actually blend this out a little more on the edges, soften it up a bit. So now that that's done, I'm gonna actually use this Sour Diesel color. It's like a really dark green brown color. It's really pretty. So now with the Sour Diesel, I'm just going to go in a really small space and just outline my outer corner. Actually gonna bring it up a little bit into the crease also. Okay, so now for my lid, I'm gonna use, like I said, Black Widow. All right, I just picked up a whole lot of product on here. I might regret this because let's see how pigmented this one is. So I'm just really packing this in hardcore. So I'm gonna go back into the Sour Diesel. I'm just focusing this just mainly on the outer corner, just to like soften that up. You see that difference it makes? Let me look down for you guys. It makes it more of a gradual look. Looks pretty. I have some chunky glitters that I got from this little brand. It's called 88 Cosmetics, and it's all chunky glitter that I got from them. They have other, you know, they have like a large variety. 88 Cosmetics on, I found them on Instagram, but how cute. I think this is what I'm gonna use today. These little stars, can you see? I have this little applicator that I like to use for chunky glitter. I want it to be in the right spot. I found this in the beauty supply store, and it's good for rhinestones. I think it's meant for rhinestones for your nails, but it works for this too. To stick these stars to where I need them to stick, I'm gonna use this NYX glitter primer. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this and then just put it where I want to put the star. In this case, star will be around her. Do you guys hear this? There's a college by my house. Put that there. Now I'm gonna put my star right here. Oh, that's cute. I like that. It's pretty. I'm living for this right now. So now I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline Eye Studio. Going with the double up and double wispies. Alright, so for my foundation, I'm gonna use the Superstay again, the 24-hour foundation. Now I'm going to do the concealer. Superstay again from Maybelline. This is the shade number 10. So now that that's done, I'm going to cream contour today. I like to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's a cream contour palette. That's done, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. For my brows, I'm using the Goof Proof Brow Pencil. This is shade number 3. to set my foundation today, I'm going to be using this Milani Conceal and Perfect powder. It's a shine proof powder, and this is in the shade Nude. Mostly do around, because I did the cream contour, I'm going to do around it. Like here, this area. Going in back into this palette to do my face, I'm going to be using the Hoola bronzer. So now that I did that, I'm going to use some blush. I'm gonna go into this Morphe 8C. I'm gonna go in this Sexy shade right here. Ooh, that's so pretty. This, first I'm gonna highlight my inner corner with this. Whoa. I'm living for this. I just love this color, I think, but oh my gosh, it's like gorgeous, darling. I'm gonna use this palette again and use Cookie for my highlighter. Going in with this Morphe R3S brush. My under eye, I'm just gonna use Space Queen right under my lower lash line. Packing it in there. That's done. I'm gonna use some mascara. Use the Falsies Maybelline Volume Express. Okay, so now for my lip, I'm going to go in with this Gerard Cosmetics Hydramatte lipstick, and this is in the color Plum Crazy. I'm going to be finishing off my look with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Okay, so this is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I enjoyed creating this look with you. Please hit like and subscribe. If you didn't like this video, then I don't know why you're still watching it. Bye.